Welcome to Semaphore AI Control Room, your solution for managing enterprise AI agents securely within your virtual private cloud. As an AI operator in your enterprise, you have a critical mission: running and managing AI agents across your organization. Process owners in different departments have created powerful AI agents to automate their team's work. Our job is to deploy these agents and make sure they run efficiently, securely, and at scale, 24/7. Let's take a tour of the control room. For secure and seamless access, you can use your company's single sign-on to log in. Control Room organizes your agents using workspaces, allowing you to manage different business units, like HR, marketing, finance, or environments, like development, staging, and production, all from a single platform. In the gallery, you'll find AI agents published by your team. You can deploy these agents to one or more workspaces within your own VPC, ensuring maximum security and compliance. As AI agents perform their work, you can monitor their health and performance in real time and manage their entire lifecycle in the control room. As our platform supports open telemetry out of the box, you can use your existing enterprise observability tools like Splunk and Datadog for the real-time view of your infrastructure and agents. Ready to take control of your enterprise AI agents? Contact Semaphore AI today and experience the power of Control Room.